Hey sweet friends, welcome to Becky Daniels' office. You know what? I have this idea. So I want to share this with you guys. I want to make a shirt for Halloween, and I was on Pinterest and I saw where you can do spray paint a stencil on a shirt. So you put your stencil on a shirt and then you spray paint it with fabric paint, and then you can make your own design. And I was like, you know what, that looks pretty easy. So what I did is I bought an inexpensive t-shirt. It was, what was it, $4 and something at Walmart. And so I thought, you know what, if I mess it up, I'm not messing up a good t-shirt. So I got my shirt at Walmart, and then I have this wooden cutout that I got at the Dollar Tree. This is Happy Halloween. I thought it was kind of cool. And I was thinking in my old noggin, I'm like, well, what if I were to take my shirt, to put that wooden the cutout, I'm going to use it as a stencil, in the center, spray it with, I got white fabric, it's called Tulip Color Shot, Instant Fabric Color. I'm going to spray it white and see if we can't come up with a really cool Halloween shirt for just a few bucks. So I'm going to actually take this party out to my shop. So come along with me and let's see if we can't make the cutest Halloween shirt for just a few dollars. We'll see. I think it's going to work. I think it's going to be awesome. Yay! Come on with me. Okay, everybody, I'm out in my shop. So, I'm working out of my office because my house is being torn up. And I want to make this, I just want to have fun today and try to make this stenciled, if you will, stenciled t-shirt for Halloween. So what I'm doing here is I just took a cardboard box and I put it down to protect my surface. And then I've got a little piece of cardboard that I found, and I'm just gonna put it inside the shirt just to keep the paint from bleeding through. I'm not sure if it will or not, but I wanna just make sure. So like I said, you guys, I got this cheap t-shirt. They have all different colors. I got it at Walmart, and it was less than $5. So if it doesn't work out, I'm not out that much money, but if it does work, Halloween shirts, I was looking at them and they were like 30 bucks. And I said, I'm not paying $30 for a Halloween shirt. I'm gonna try to make one. Let's just have some fun with it and just see if it works. I think it's gonna be good. Okay, I'm gonna lay this out kinda straight. I'm gonna straighten it out kinda good because I don't want it to be on there wonky. So that's the main thing, is our layout, okay? Let's get that nice and straight. I guess I should have ironed it maybe. So sometimes if you want to know where the center of your garment is, you can gently iron a little crease right down the middle, fold the shirt in half, and then just do just a little crease, and that's how you know where the center is. But since I don't have an iron in my office, believe it or not, I have everything else, I just don't have an iron. That's okay. So then I've got this wooden cutout that I bought at the Dollar Tree, and I just thought that would be the cutest darn shirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of basting adhesive. Now normally I would just do a spray glue. They didn't have any at the stores, and I know I have some somewhere locked, packed up in all of my totes, but I'm gonna go ahead and try this, and I think it needs to have a little something to hold it down. I'm not certain. Now, if you just want to use a regular stencil, they're usually sticky if you make your own, like with your Cricut machine or something like that. But since I'm using this wood, I'm going to try that basting, what is it called? Basting adhesive, and we'll see. I'm going to go right here in the middle, stick that down. I think it's going to work, you guys. This is just having fun. This is just 100% an experiment. Like I said, I was nosing around and I thought, how can you spray paint shirts? I've never worked with this stuff before, so it's Tulip brand. It's called Color Shot. You can get this at Michael's or Joann's, Hobby Lobby, any of your craft stores. So I just went ahead and I bought white. And you do have to shake it up really good. That's what the directions say. And you know what, you guys, that adhesive is holding that down really good. So it shouldn't move, and I don't want to have bleed through. I want it to be kind of crisp. Let's just shake it up real good. Woo! Hey, we're making the best of it, you guys. We're gonna have so much fun this Halloween. Just you know, doing silly things like this. Why not? I love it. So according to the directions, that you're supposed to just do light, even coats. So let's get going with this. And I do want overspray on the shirt. I think I want it to kind of look kind of eerie, so that's why I'm gonna go across like that. You guys, it looks awesome. This stuff is so cool. Creepy. It looks creepy. I love it. And you can wash your garments. You just want to turn them inside out and wash them on gentle. Hey, you guys, I think it's going to look awesome. Come in here in the middle. I want it to be a little dark, a little whiter. I want it to be a little more saturation of paint in the center there. All right, we're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna pull it off and see what kind of fantastic Halloween shirt we have here. I think it's gonna look amazing. It's, you know, it's just gonna be kind of like the paint kind of just faded around it, which is so cool. I love this. Hey, we're on to something really good here, sweet friends. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and give the middle just a little bit more. I know the directions say let dry in between coats, but you know what? I'm impatient. So we're gonna let that sit there. We're gonna keep our fingers crossed. We're gonna let it dry. We'll come back in a few minutes and see what kind of wonderful thing we have here. So fingers crossed, you guys, that it works. Yay! Woohoo! I'm excited. Okay, everybody, here's the moment of truth. It's been about 30 minutes, so let's see. I'm gonna pull the wooden stencil, if you will, from the shirt here. See what we got. Oh, I love it. Yay, it worked. It worked. Look at that. Look at my Halloween shirt, everybody. That turned out so good. In the middle here, there was a little bleed through. Let me get that closer to you guys. You can see a little teeny bit, but overall, I'm super happy with it. I'm gonna be wearing this thing. I'm gonna be rocking this Halloween shirt. I don't do a lot of Halloween. I typically do more fall stuff, but this is definitely something, if you want to do this, maybe you want to do something for your kids. You could do simple little, you could do bats, you could do pumpkins, you could just do pumpkin eyes and then the cutout mouth. Maybe do a white shirt and spray it orange, or an orange shirt and spray it black. Whatever you guys can find. They have a ton of these t-shirts, like I said, Walmart. They're $4 and something each. So that's a great deal. So there you go, everybody. We've got our super adorable, easy, really inexpensive Halloween shirt. Yay! Can't wait to wear it. See you soon.